Today, we're diving into the world of customization with 3 of the best icon pack apps for Android. If you're ready to transform your home screen, let's get started. HyperUX Icon Pack. HyperUX Icon Pack is a vibrant and stylish icon pack designed to give your Android device a fresh and modern look. With over 3,000 beautifully crafted icons, this pack supports a wide range of launchers, allowing for easy customization of your home screen. The icons feature a unique design with a blend of colorful gradients and sleek outlines, making them visually appealing. HyperUX also includes matching wallpapers to enhance your aesthetic and a user-friendly dashboard for easy access to features. This icon pack is perfect for users looking to add a contemporary touch to their devices. HuxOne Dark Icon Pack. HuxOne Dark Icon Pack is tailored for users who prefer a dark theme for their devices. It features over 2,000 icons with a sleek, minimalistic design that complements both dark and light wallpapers. The icons are designed to maintain a uniform style, providing a cohesive look across your apps. HuxOne Dark is compatible with numerous Android launchers and includes a variety of wallpapers that match the icon design. For those who appreciate a sophisticated and elegant theme, this icon pack is an excellent choice to enhance the visual appeal of their device. Fluorescent Icon Pack. Fluorescent Icon Pack stands out with its bright and eye-catching design, featuring vibrant colors and a glossy finish that makes your app icons pop. This pack includes over 1,500 icons, all designed to create a playful and energetic look for your home screen. The icons are compatible with a wide range of launchers and offer easy customization options. Fluorescent also provides matching wallpapers and supports dynamic calendar icons, making it a fun choice for users who want to add a splash of color and creativity to their devices. Thank you for watching our video. We hope this overview of HyperUX, HuxOne Dark, and Fluorescent icon packs has inspired you to customize your Android device. See you next time for more tips on personalizing your tech.